Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to use the flash fill feature in Microsoft Excel. Flash fill will automatically fill in your data when it senses a pattern. To enable this feature, we first must make sure that it is turned on. To turn on flash fill, we'll go under our options, and click on advanced. In here we want to make sure that the automatically flash fill is checked. In the spreadsheet I have set up, you can see that I have a list of first and last names in columns A and B. To use flash fill to fill out the full name, I'll simply type in the full name in column C. Once I've done that and hit enter, Microsoft will detect the pattern, and if I begin typing in under the second name, as you can see, it generates and autofills using the flash fill function. Another way to use flash fill in this example is if I wanted to put their initials in column D. By typing the first initials of the name from column A and column B, Excel will recognize the pattern again. Once I've put in the initials, I can highlight the next cell and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E to autofill. The third method to use flash fill to detect a pattern is we're going to put in some email addresses here and let Excel fill it out for us. You can see I used the first initial and the last name at company name. By left-clicking in the lower right corner of the box, I can come down and release. And then here, under the autofill options, I'll click on flash fill. As you can see, it used the first initial and last name at companyname.com, which is the email address that I would have used for this. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.